How to start out doing food photography. Here are my 5 steps to get you started. Number 1. Research. Look out for food photos that inspire you. Select a style that you would like to try out, be it flat lay or side portraits. Study the photos carefully and try to break down what do you think that makes that photo look so nice. Is it the color, the angle, or perhaps the light? It is likely all of them. Number 2. Invest in gears. Take a little out and invest into some simple camera gears. What differentiates photos is the smallest of details. Sure, your mobile phones might have a high resolution camera, but the sensor size inside that captures the photo is less than a cm. Whereas a mirrorless or DSLR is at least 2 to 3.5 cm. For food photography, the devils are in the details. The water droplets from the veggies, the color of your plating, the crisp and tenderness of your meat. Your audience or potential clients needs to see that. And a good camera will bring that out more. My recommendation would be the Sony Alpha A6300 mirrorless digital camera with 16 to 50mm lens. At only $998 USD, it is quite affordable. Sony is known to have incredible low light capabilities, so it definitely helps when you're editing in post to bring out the highlights and shadows. If not, try to look for its equivalent in the other brands. Number 3. Network. Before getting paid, you need to start off doing it for free. You need content to show your potential clients that you're able to deliver. Talk to your friends and see if anyone's into baking or cooking their own dishes. Volunteer to help them take their photos for their food. Stylize the dishes with ingredients and be able to share them with your friends. Number 4. Props hunting. After you have fixed an appointment with your friends, do go a little shopping. Find yourself a nice looking plate or some garden leaves. Anything that can help make the dish you're taking look a little more unique, a little more beautiful. IKEA or your nearest dollar shop can be a good place to start. Number 5. Editing. After your shoot, you will want to edit your photos. Do try to take them in RAW and edit them in RAW to keep the details. If you're unsure how to edit photos, look out for other YouTube channels on how to do it. For a start, invest in some Lightroom presets. I got mine from Etsy.com as they have tons of cheap presets. I hope you like these 5 steps to get you started on food photography. Do leave down in the comments below if you have more tips or recommendations to help others get started. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.